out really good, ha?
Oh, yeah.
Ayan, wala masyadong snow. Ayan, snow dito sa bayan. Oh, wow, they plow it really good this time. They really clear it. I think they just cleared this one. What do you think?
Yeah, see, way over there, yeah.
Yeah, I think they just did it.
Did it.
Oh, wow.
See how far over, yeah.
Yep, it's like the road is so wide.
3 lanes. Yeah,
well, before, see, they clean it, yeah. Guys. Okay. They probably take advantage. It's like, oh, this one does not. Yeah. This is what I'm used to.
This isn't really all that bad. So they got all day Sunday, then Sunday night and Monday. So the thing is, they lucked out on the timing of the storm.
Yeah. Ayan, dito sa bayan, guys. May mga gising pa talaga kahit alas 3 ng madaling araw. Ayan, guys. Minsan mga homeless siguro. Oh, wow, there's party. Nagpa-party. Oh, there's a bar. They're really, oh, wow. Yeah.
It's all over. It was 3:30.
3:30. They're still awake.
Yeah.
Oh, may bar pa. Oh, this is in the bar. So what do you do in the bar?
Yeah,
just drinks. So ang tagal ko nang din nagaganyan mga ganyan. I think sa Pilipinas pa yung huli. Oo, dito sa city na. Oh, somebody's working on that one. Wow.
Sunday night and Monday morning.
Oh.
Working all night.
Grabe na, may mga homeless din kami. Ang lamig. Oh, this is the new building. Last year, they're building that. Yeah. Kagawad TV official. Salamat. Ito yung Catholic Church. Ayan, may Catholic Church dyan. This is where Chriselle works. That one.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
In front of this Captain Cook. Thank you, brother. Ayan. Ayan.
I come in the morning and I always try to slide in here.
Those are residential.
Yeah.
Some people live there. They're in downtown. Benihana. Sabi ko magda-diet ako eh. Ayaw. Hindi na Ayan, nakaano tayo ah. Tapos magko-park kami sa airport. Tapos yun. Ano na, mga Pasko na. Marami na kayong mga Christmas tree, Christmas light. Ano nang meron? Siguro matulog na lang ako sa airport. I think I'm just gonna take a nap at the airport. Wala pa. Anong handa? Diet na lang. Sabihin nyo diet. Kung walang handa, nagda-diet kayo. Ang dami kasing bilihin, no? Pag Pasko. Kakatempt bumili. Yan. Na ako mag-diet. Si mother nagluto ng tikoy kagabi. Sarap pa naman ng tikoy. Busog-lusog sa tikoy. Hello, Shilane. Kumusta?